Ever wondered how to make a quick and delicious shrimp salad at home? Well, wonder no more? Today we're going to guide you through the process of creating a scrumptious, creamy shrimp salad that's just bursting with flavor. First things first, you'll need a pound of cooked shrimp. Make sure they're peeled, deveined, and if they're large, cut them into bite-sized pieces. Shrimp is the star of this show, bringing a fresh taste of the sea to your salad. Now it's time to whip up the dressing. In a large bowl, combine half a cup of mayonnaise, a quarter cup of sour cream, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. Whisk these ingredients together until you have a smooth, creamy dressing that's guaranteed to elevate your salad to new heights. Next, it's time to mix in the vegetables. Add a quarter cup of finely chopped celery and red onion, along with 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. If you like a bit of crunch, feel free to toss in a quarter cup of diced cucumber. These ingredients not only add a beautiful pop of color to your salad, but they also provide a delightful crunch that complements the creamy dressing and tender shrimp. Now for the grand finale, the shrimp. Fold the shrimp into the dressing, making sure each piece is well coated. This ensures every bite of your salad is packed with flavor. Here's a tip. Once your salad is ready, cover it and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to really meld together, resulting in a shrimp salad that's absolutely divine. When you're ready to serve, lay out some lettuce leaves or mixed greens and spoon your creamy shrimp salad on top. You could also use it as a filling for avocado halves or serve it in a wrap with a side of crackers. Remember, this recipe is versatile. Feel free to add in other ingredients like chopped hard-boiled eggs, avocado, or capers. And if you're using frozen shrimp, just make sure they're well thawed and patted dry to prevent a watery salad. What's more, this shrimp salad can be made a day ahead, making it the perfect dish for gatherings or meal prep. So why wait? Bring a taste of the sea to your table with this creamy shrimp salad. And don't forget to subscribe to Magnolia Moon for more mouth-watering recipes.